can file an LLC for free, but you probably shouldn't, and I'm gonna tell you why. Hey, my money making friends, and welcome to Darcy's Business. My name is Darcy, and I help ambitious people start a business of their own and get business money to fund it. And so in today's video, I'm first gonna go over the benefits of having an LLC, then I'm gonna walk you step by step on how you can form an LLC, and then lastly, I'm gonna talk about some follow-up steps that you need to take to make sure your business has the best chance of success. This includes getting free grant money that you don't have to pay back, as well as getting business credit. And so before we start this journey, I want you to first know that there are people out there that need you to start this business so that you can help transform their lives. And this ranges from all different types of businesses because you provide a service or a product that fills a need. And so there are some congratulations in order. This is a huge step for changing your legacy and the legacy of your family, as well as generations to come. Jumping off into the benefits, we first have to talk about professionalism. When you have an LLC or limited liability company, that means that you have decided to establish an official business entity to separate you from the business. And so when you have an LLC, it just establishes that you are serious about your business. And when people know you're serious, they're more likely to invest in your business. The second benefit of having an LLC is the limited liability protection, which means that your personal assets are protected from the actions of your business. Let's say worst case scenario, the business happens to go in debt. With an LLC, your personal assets are protected from the debts of the business. And this is an extra layer of protection that cannot go overlooked. And the last benefit I want to share with you all is that when you have an LLC, you're more likely to get business funding, either from banks or other corporations that give out grants. Now that we know the benefits, let's make the LLC a reality. So here we are on Zen Business's homepage. What you're gonna do is enter in your preferred business name. If you're not sure what the business name should be, we're gonna enter in Darcy's LLC Guide as the business name. It's first going to give you an overview of the 5 steps that you'll fill out in order to get this formed. Literally in less than 10 minutes, you can already set in motion getting your LLC formed. And so it's going to ask us for the state of formation. And so when it comes to choosing your state, most people choose their home state, Delaware, Nevada, or Wyoming. And so those last 3 states are mentioned because they have really good tax benefits. But in most cases, choosing your home state is the best bet. And to give your business that extra oomph when it comes to professionalism, you can set up a virtual business address. A really good company to set up a virtual address is with Alliance Virtual, and they give you the chance to have a virtual office in countries all across the world. So no matter where you are, you should still be able to get your mail and have a business address. And so for the state of formation, let's go with Texas, as that is my home state. Now it's going to ask us, how much experience do I have running a business? I'm going to say none because we are a new business just getting started for the very first time. And then it's going to ask us, will your business have employees in the first year? Let's just say it's just us operating the business. And then it asks, will your business address be different from your home address? In this case, yes, because we got a virtual business address with Alliance. How far along is your business? Let's say we're launching soon in about 1 to 2 months. What are our business goals? This is supposed to be our primary income. We're going to say goodbye to our 9-to-5s. And so we're going to set that intention early on. And for the last question, getting to know our business, it's going to ask about the industry we're in. And so you have a couple of good options to choose from. Let's go with education consultant. And since we're ready to get this LLC formed and done so we can continue to grow our business, let's keep it going. Let's keep the momentum going. Now it's going to ask about information about us. So let's enter that in. For part 2, they're going to ask us about our registered agent. And so a registered agent is a person or business that takes official paperwork from your Secretary of State. And so this person or business has to be available anytime from 9 to 5. And so it's recommended that you hire another company to act as your registered agent. I know I did that when I was forming my business. And so when it comes to Zen Business, they can act as your registered agent and they can form your LLC documents. And so if you'd like more information, they have a helpful video as well as more information about what a registered agent does for you. Let's hit next and continue. Then it's going to ask us to choose a package. So you could go with the starter plan, which is $0, but it's recommended that you go with the pro plan for the worry-free compliance. And if you're wanting to upgrade even more, you can also get a domain and website with the premium package. So let's go with the pro for now. And then it's going to ask us whether or not we want to set up a business bank account. And so they do offer this service free for the first month. And I personally believe in testing things out, especially when there's a free trial. But I do make sure to set a reminder on my phone just in case I decide to go another way. And then it's going to ask, do we want to add Money Pro? It's going to help you manage the money coming in and out of your business. And so the more you know the numbers, the better off you'll be. And the first month is free to test out as well. So let's go with Money Pro. It's also going to ask if you want a website builder. And so what's great about these formation companies is that a lot of services you need to grow a business, you can get it all in one place. And a plus with ZenBusiness is that they offer a month free trial so you can test it out and see whether you like it or not. And so let's say yes to the website builder. And so next it asks about if we want additional business documents like employment agreements, contracts, and proposals for $99. Since you follow me, you know that there's free contracts online that you have access to. So we're going to go with no thanks because we know that we can get that for free. Let's hit next. And so once we get to this page, we're going to confirm the information we submitted, and we're going to feel reassured because ZenBusiness offers 100% accuracy guaranteed. And then we're going to hit continue to review order. And so as of now, the total due today is $499. $199 for the Pro LLC, which includes rush filing service, worry-free compliance, an operating agreement, and an EIN. And then the $300 for Texas state filing fee. Unfortunately, we can't avoid the state filing fee, but you can choose the type of package that you get. It just won't include some of these other services. And once you've reviewed all of the information in the checkout window to make sure it looks good, you can look at the FAQ section to your right. One important thing to note is that $5,000 could be tax deductible when you file your taxes. Now that we're good on the refund policy and if we make any mistakes in filing, let's hit continue to payment. Now it's going to ask for our card number and password, and then when we're ready to go, we can say place your order. So in just a few days, ZenBusiness is going to send you an email letting you know that your articles of formation have been officially formed.
Yay, the LLC is formed. And so now that you have the LLC formed, you need to get your EIN. EIN stands for the Employer Identification Number. This is a 9-digit number that acts like a social security card for your business. And so you're going to use this number when you file your business taxes, just like you put your social when you file your personal. Now it's time to open up a business bank account and start bringing in the cash. And so the best bank to do that is with Relay Bank. And so I told Relay that I need to hook my community up. You'll get an additional $50, no question asked. And to go into some of the benefits that Relay offers, they give clients the ability to open up over 20 checkings accounts. In addition, if you plan on having multiple businesses, you can have access to all the businesses on one dashboard. In addition, you can have money go to different accounts automatically. Now it's time to start building your business credit. The first step on your business credit journey, now that you have a strong foundation, is to get your DUNS number. This is a free number that you can get from Dun & Bradstreet and will begin the process of you establishing your business credit profile. Now that you've started your business credit profile by getting your DUNS number, it's now time to get some trade lines reported. And a great place to start is with NAV. With NAV, you can get access to your personal credit reports, business credit reports, as well as access to a charge card that doesn't check your personal credit. And so with NAV, you get 2 trade lines reporting. No other company is offering as good of a deal as this one. And you'll find out just how true that statement is as you continue to grow on your business credit journey. Now that you've gotten some confidence with building business credit, you can also apply to business grants. And so business grants is free money to help you grow your business. This free money could go towards hiring employees, expanding your business, increasing your marketing budget, or building a website of your own. And so when it comes to business grants, there can be a lot of flexibility on what you decide to spend the money on when it comes to growing your business. And so we have two really good grants for new businesses. The first one is the Zen Business Small Business Grant. This gives out $5,000 to new entrepreneurs that have recently used Zen Business's services. The next grant is the InkFile Small Business Grant. This grant gives out $2,500 to people who are looking to start a business or give their business a fresh start. And so if you're able to win one of these grants, this could offset the LLC formation cost 5 times over. And so a really good opportunity that I want to point out to you is that Chase is offering a $900 bank bonus with their Business Inc. cash card. And so if you spend $5,000 within the next 3 months, you can get $900 of free cash money, which is another way to offset the cost of forming your LLC. And so there's just 2 more steps that I'm going to talk about in this video. But if you have any questions at all, or you want the steps listed out, I've included in the description and the first pinned comment a step-by-step guide that will walk you through this process. What I'm about to share with you is a new step in the LLC process. It hasn't existed before, but now in 2024, there is new reporting requirements. And so BOI stands for Beneficial Ownership Information. And the reason why this report is being required for new LLCs is that Congress wanted to crack down on companies that were engaging in money laundering and other illegal activities. In order to do so, they put this law in place that stated that you had to fill out this report. You're going to share information about your business, information about you as a business owner, as well as the company applicant, which is the person or business entity that helped you form your LLC. As of now, people that form their business in 2024 have 90 days to submit this paperwork. If you don't, there is a $500 a day fine up to $10,000. And if this report is still not filed, you could get jail time. So I would highly recommend that you file this report as soon as the LLC is formed. And then for the very last step, you're going to need to do your annual report filing. Every state, no matter the state that you formed your LLC in, will require you to fill out some sort of annual paperwork. And personally for me, I formed my LLC in Texas, and so I have the no franchise tax due report that needs to be filled out. And so you will have report requirements as well in your state of formation. And so it's required that you do this every single year, or your LLC could get shut down for not being in compliance. And so you want to make sure that you get this BOI report submitted, as well as you do your annual report filings. If you're finding any value at all from this video, it would mean a lot if you use the affiliate links to begin your business journey. Let me know if you have any questions at all in the comments below. I cannot wait to see you next time. Peace, stay building.